Hi, I'm Nick Lang, owner of Nick Lang Media, and today I'm excited to introduce Team Flight Control and one of our programs, Camp Flight Control.
So what excited me about Team Flight Control was the opportunity to introduce new technology and emerging technology to students to get them excited about the field of flying drones.
What's great about our program is the kids are actually learning how to fly the drone manually and autonomously.
Part of our storyline incorporates autonomous flight, and we use a program called drone blocks. And with the drone blocks, the kids are able to calculate exactly where the drone needs to fly in order to avoid obstacles and complete their mission.
Please note, hostile aircraft have been observed nearby. Proceed with extreme caution. Cadets.
One of the ways I think students learn best is not only learn the theory, but also to learn how to apply that theory. So using Team Flight Control, they're learning programming skills, but also learning how to fly a drone with those skills.
The team I surrounded myself with are FPV pilots, so that stands for First Person View Drone Racing. So these guys are experts in that field. We want to incorporate FPV racing into our program down the road. So FPV racing is one of the most exciting things you can actually do with a drone, and we want to be able to offer that to the schools in our area. We're also excited to announce our partnership with the CCIU. So through the CCIU, we're going to be offering Camp Flight Control through their STEM Saturdays program, and we're really excited about that.
Camp Flight Control really wouldn't have gotten off the ground without our great sponsorship that we have. So we're really thankful for all of our sponsors. Without them, Camp Flight Control wouldn't be a possibility. If you would like to be a sponsor as well, please reach out to us. We love to work with local companies in the area. We want to give special thanks to Phoenixville High School for giving us the opportunity to bring Camp Flight Control here.
We hope to expand to future schools. So if you're a school in the area that's looking to get involved with Team Flight Control, please reach out to us on our website. We'd love to have a conversation with you and to see how we can offer this at your school.